All right, a baseball team played 154 regular season games, and the ratio of the number of games they won to the number of games they lost was 5-2. Now, those winning and losing games all together equal 154. So, how many games did they win and how many games did they lose? Well, we need to set up some ratio that of winning games to losing games that will simplify to 5/2. So if something simplifies to 5/2, it means you divide it by the same amount top and bottom. So we're going to say, okay, well then that was like 5 times x, or 5x over 2x, and whatever those numbers were, we divided top and bottom by x. Okay, so we know then, if that's kind of how it worked and we divided both by x, then we've got 5x plus 2x, the winning number of games, plus the losing number of games, needs to equal 154, and then we have to simplify it. 7x equals 154, and dividing both by 7, we get x equals 22. And then how many games did they win and how many games did they lose? Well, we know that 5x is the number of games they won, so 5 times 22, they 110 games won. And 2x was the number that they lost, so 2 times 22, 44 games lost. And you should, of course, verify that those sum up to 154, and they do, and we're done.